Back again here with another sketch video here. Now I'm going to show you some sketches related to floor plans of construction. Now the first one I'm going to show you is floor plans of some offices. And this is an office here on this side, and this is a restaurant here. Mostly a cafe or restaurant on this side here with benches and chairs. Now, I would have drawn the back kitchen, but not enough room in this paper. So these are basic floor plans for offices. Now, the second one I'm going to show you, these ones, picture of a staircase and a picture of some sort of fence or a rail of stairs or something. See, these are the ones that I drew here. And finally, a floor plan of a classroom in a school. Now here, you got chairs and a desk, and the door, and the teacher's desk is right out front here. See, that's one I sketched over here. So, those are my sketches for today related to construction. Now, that's all I have, and I'll show you more drawings in a future video.